Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make fried moringa cookies. It's a quick and tasty snack that can be cooked in really less time if you keep the preparations ready beforehand. So let's begin with the video. Here I have some moringa leaves that I stored for 2 days in the fridge and now I will be using them. I will take the required quantity and will cover the remaining leaves and will store them again. We will use only the leaves of moringa, so I am separating the leaves in a bowl. Once done, wash them properly once or twice. Taking 10 to 12 spoons of whole wheat atta, and now I will chop the moringa leaves as fine as I can and add it along with the whole wheat atta. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder, some cumin seeds, pinch of dried mango powder, adding hot water as needed, and give this a good mix. You can keep adding water as much as you feel is needed to mix the atta well. And then let it rest for half an hour. After half an hour, I will knead this into a dough by adding 2 more spoons of atta. Once dough is ready, I will store it in a container and leave it in fridge. I usually store this dough for about 4-5 days and it becomes really convenient to make some quick snacks. After 3 hours of storing, I am taking the required quantity of atta from the container and will give them cookies-like shape. You can give them any shape that you like. Once they are ready, I will proceed with frying these moringa cookies. Heating up a kadai and adding oil. I am using gingerly oil, but you can use any oil that you like. Once oil is heated up, I will start frying the cookies in low flame. Because we added turmeric powder, you can see a very nice color in the cookies. Make sure to keep the flame low just to ensure they are cooked from inside out. Once done with frying, you can serve them hot. And here we have our crispy fried moringa cookies all ready. That was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.